Welcome to Mumbai, the city of dreams. We begin at its most iconic landmark, the Gateway of India. Standing guard opposite is the legendary Taj Mahal Palace Hotel, a symbol of the city's resilience and luxury. The harbor here is always alive with ferries carrying people to Alibag and the Elephanta Caves. Just a short walk away lies Colaba Causeway, a shopping paradise that never sleeps. Here, you can find everything from antique clocks to trendy jewelry if you know how to bargain. Steeped in history and literary fame, Leopold Café is a mandatory pit stop for travelers. The area is also known for its Art Deco heritage, exemplified by the historic Regal Cinema. Walking these streets, the British colonial influence is evident in every stone facade. Nearby is Kala Ghoda, the city's crescent-shaped art district, home to galleries and museums. The crown jewel is the Prince of Wales Museum, now known as CSMVS, with its stunning Indo-Saracenic dome. As evening falls, the harbor lights up, marking the end of our first leg in Mumbai. Welcome back to our journey through Mumbai. In Part 2, we explore the city's heritage and hidden gems. At the Oval Maiden, cricket isn't just a sport, it's a religion played against a backdrop of Victorian Gothic grandeur. The Rajabai clock tower stands tall, echoing the chimes of Big Ben from across the seas. Wake up early to witness the explosion of colors at the Dadar flower market. Devotees flock to the Siddhivinayak temple, seeking blessings from the city's favorite deity. While in Bandra, the Mount Mary Basilica stands as a beacon of faith and peace. Nearby, the ruins of Bandra Fort offer a window into history and a stunning view of the modern sea link. Back in Colaba, the causeway beckons shoppers with its endless array of trinkets and treasures. Pause for a bun maska and chai at one of the city's legendary Irani cafes, frozen in time. History whispers in the quiet halls of Mani Bhavan, where Gandhi once stayed. The Prince of Wales Museum houses the artistic and cultural legacy of the subcontinent. Perched atop Malabar Hill, the Hanging Gardens offer a green respite and sweeping views. Step back centuries at the ancient Banganga Tank, a timeless oasis of calm. The Bombay High Court stands as a testament to the city's enduring legal institutions. Fast forward to the future in BKC, the glittering modern business district, or find tranquility by the waters of Powai Lake amidst the urban sprawl. Take a ferry ride from the harbor to see the city from a different perspective. Versova Beach offers a glimpse into the life of the city's original Koli fishing community. The global Vipassana Pagoda shines gold, a monument to peace and meditation. The walls of Bandra speak through vibrant street art, telling modern stories. From ancient tanks to modern towers, Mumbai is a city of endless layers. Join us again as we continue to explore. Until next time.
Welcome to Part 3. We begin at dawn at Sassoon Docks, where the city's oldest trade comes alive with the morning tide. While at Worli Sea Face, the city wakes up with a rhythmic stride against the ocean breeze. Devotion runs deep at the Mahalakshmi temple, standing guard by the sea. Just across the street, the Mahalakshmi racecourse offers a glimpse of equestrian elegance. At Shivaji Park, the dreams of future cricketing legends take shape in the dust. Rising above the traffic, the Mumbai Metro symbolizes the city's rapid modernization. In the Heritage District, Flora Fountain stands as an eternal sentinel of time. Surrounded by the old banking district, Horniman Circle offers a quiet green pause. Art spills onto the streets outside Jangir Art Gallery, the creative pulse of Kalagoda. Nariman Point, once the undisputed business hub, still commands an impressive skyline. Dive into the glittering chaos of Javeri Bazaar, the historic bullion market, and let your senses guide you through the culinary delights of Muhammad Ali Road. The rocky shores of Bandra Bandstand are a favorite hangout for romance and sunsets, where fans gather daily, hoping for a glimpse of Bollywood royalty. Deep within the suburbs, RA Colony remains a vital green lung for the metropolis, while the monorail weaves its way through the eastern corridors. Escape to the northern beaches like Garai for a slower, island-like pace. From the depths of the ocean at the aquarium to the endless sky above, the Nehru Planetarium invites us to look up and wonder at the cosmos. And of course, no story of Mumbai is complete without its legendary monsoon rains. Mumbai, a city of dreams, drama, and unmatched resilience. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the Maximum City. Welcome to Part 4. We start with the new face of connection, the magnificent atoll Satu spanning the harbor. In the heart of the city, the Royal Opera House stands restored to its former Baroque glory. The striking blue Knesset Eliyahu Synagogue tells the story of the city's Jewish heritage, while the towering spire of the Afghan church in Kalaba commemorates a distant past. Tucked away in Gurgan, the lanes of Kotachawadi preserve a charming Portuguese-style village life. Lose yourself in the maze of fabrics and textures at the legendary Mangaldas market. High above the noise, the Babalnath temple offers a moment of peace and a view of the skyline. In Andheri, Gilbert Hill stands as a geological marvel, older than the city itself. Nature paints the creek pink when thousands of flamingos visit our shores. Nostalgia lives on at Maratha Mandir, where cinema history plays on a daily loop. The skyline on Altamount Road features modern marvels that redefine luxury living. St. Thomas Cathedral, the first Anglican church in the city, stands serene amidst the bustle. Even our airport is a gallery, welcoming the world with Indian art and culture. Walk along the Oval to admire one of the world's largest collections of Art Deco buildings. Childhood memories are made at the Old Woman's Shoe in Kamla Nehru Park. The leafy avenues of Five Gardens in Matunga invite a leisurely evening stroll, while Aksa Beach offers a secluded stretch of sand away from the city center. Ancient history is carved into the rock at the Mahakali Caves. The General Post Office impresses with its grand dome, modeled after Joel Gumbas. As the sun sets over Dadar Chowpatty, the sea link lights up the horizon. Every corner of Mumbai holds a story waiting to be discovered. Our journey isn't over yet. Stay tuned for more. Welcome to Part 5. We hop on the iconic red double-decker bus, a moving vantage point through the city's evolving landscape. Morning in Matunga begins with the aroma of freshly brewed filter coffee and the warmth of South Indian traditions. In Kumbharwada, the potter's wheel spins stories of resilience and incredible craftsmanship. The Mahim Dargah stands as a sanctuary of faith, where prayers mingle with the salt of the sea. Baikala's Gloria Church reaches for the sky with its stunning Gothic revival spires. History is exquisitely preserved at the Baudaji Lad, Mumbai's oldest museum. The ruins of Sori Fort offer a quiet gaze over the eastern mudflats and harbor. Lamington Road hums with the electric energy of the city's vast electronics hub, while Kimber provides a greener, slower rhythm in the heart of the eastern suburbs. Further north, Upvan Lake in Thane offers a tranquil escape near the Yoer Hills. Mad Fort stands isolated on the coast, a silent witness to centuries of maritime history. Marv Beach captures the essence of a city that lives and breathes by the water. Step inside the global Vipassana Pagoda to feel the power of silence under its golden dome. BKC transforms at night into a glittering landscape of modern ambition. We end the day at Worli Kalawada, where the sunset paints the old village in gold. Suburban food streets come alive as the city gathers for its favorite evening treats. The harbor reflects the sleepless energy of a city that never stops moving. Heritage buildings glow, preserving the city's artistic soul through the dark. At Dadar, the convergence of people and trains creates an eternal heartbeat. Mumbai is a city of dreams, where every light represents a unique story. A city that embraces everyone, a city that truly is an emotion. Our journey reaches its penultimate stage. One final part remains.
Welcome to the grand finale of our journey. From a small group of islands to a sprawling megapolis, Mumbai is a story of infinite scales. We crossed the Vashi Bridge into Navi Mumbai, a city planned for the future, yet rooted in the same restless spirit. Palm Beach Road stretches out like a ribbon of modern life where the horizon meets the highway. The Kargar Hills rise as green sentinels, reminding us of the ancient earth beneath the concrete. The expressway points the way forward, a high-speed artery connecting dreams to reality. As night falls, the Sea Link becomes a bridge of light, an iconic curve in the city's silhouette. We return to the gateway, standing silent and majestic where our journey first began. The Queen's Necklace sparkles with a million lights, the eternal crown of the city that never sleeps. The local trains continue their tireless rhythm, the heartbeat that sustains this massive metropolis. The Dabawalas, a symbol of precision and trust, remind us of the city's legendary work ethic. From spicy snacks to sweet delights, the city's flavors are as diverse as its people. But more than the landmarks, it's the people of Mumbai who make this city truly special. Their resilience, their warmth, and their unwavering spirit are the true foundation of Mumbai. A city of contrasts, where the ancient and the modern exist in a beautiful, chaotic harmony. In the quiet moments, the pagoda shines as a beacon of peace, a reminder to pause and reflect. The monsoon rains wash the city clean, a cycle of renewal that defines life here. In the rare moments of silence, you can hear the city's dreams whispering in the breeze. Mumbai is not just a place on a map, it's a feeling that stays with you no matter where you go. The city of dreams continues to grow, to change, and to inspire us all. Thank you for walking with us through the heart of India. This was Mumbai.